In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a corrupt download on Steam in just a few simple steps. If you've encountered a corrupt download while trying to update or install a game on Steam, it can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we've got a straightforward fix for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Steam app. It's typically found on your desktop or in your applications folder, so go ahead and launch it. Once you're there, you'll see a screen prompting you to log in. Simply click on the login button and you'll be directed to the login page where you enter your credentials. Make sure to type in your account name and password carefully to ensure you access your account without any issues. After that, go ahead and click on the sign in button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. From here, navigate to the library section, which is where all your games are listed. Browse through your library and select the game that's giving you trouble with a corrupt download. Right click on the game and from the menu that appears, click Properties. This will open up a new window displaying various options related to the game. In the Properties window, switch to the Installed Files tab. This is where you'll be able to verify the integrity of your game files, a crucial step in resolving the issue. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and allow Steam some time to perform this check. It will cross-reference your installed files with those on the Steam servers, ensuring everything is as it should be. Once the verification process is complete, return to the main Steam settings, navigate to the Settings option, and once inside, go to Storage. You'll notice 3 dots next to each entry in your list of libraries. Click on these dots and select Repair Library from the drop-down menu. This action helps fix any potential issues within the library itself. Finally, let's head over to the Downloads section. Here you'll find an option to clear cache. Clicking this will clear out temporary files that might be causing download issues. By refreshing these caches, Steam can attempt a fresh download without any leftover data causing interference. And there you have it, you've just successfully addressed and fixed the problem of a corrupt Steam download. By following these steps, you should be able to enjoy your games without any further hitches. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.